we are in one of the most serene places in Nepal called Pokhara. And today we are staying at a very beautiful resort called Mountain Glory Forest Resort. This resort is situated a little far from the Pokhara main area, which took us about 40 minutes to reach the resort and from the Pokhara International Airport. But we have heard that the view from this resort is totally worth it. And as you can see, it's raining heavily right now, but we are hoping the rains will stop and the clouds will clear for us to enjoy the stunning view this resort offers. So come on, let's see. So our check-in process was smooth and now we are in our cottage. So let me give you a quick room tour. So we are staying in 111 and let's see the room. So welcome to our room. So this is the pathway. We have a big mirror here, place to keep the luggage, and we have the wardrobe here. They've given us two bathrobes and iron umbrellas because it's raining outside. They've given a locker as well. So let's see the bed area. This is the bed. They've provided a king size bed in every room. They've given a sofa, a TV, like a study area, and all the basic facilities are there. We have the mini bar as well, but looks like there's nothing inside. Yeah, there's nothing inside. Let's close it. All right, so what I liked the most about this room is first the bathroom and then the view. So we'll come to the view later on. First, let's check out the washroom. Ta-da! So we have a bathtub here with the view. So you can take bath, enjoy the view and have a good time. They've also given a separate cabinet for having like a normal rain shower kind of a thing. And I want to show you one thing over here. That's the tap. Very interesting. So see this. Looks like the water is coming out of a pipe. So very well done bathroom. And now let's go check out the view. It's raining heavily right now, so we don't get the actual view, but then I'll tell you what exactly was supposed to be the view and then we can imagine. So as you can see, it's raining cats and dogs. And so the room opens up into a garden and then there's a valley here. It looks up to the Annapurna range. I don't know, like I can see it like from the cloud. I don't know if it is visible on camera, but that's the entire Himalayan range. So you can see the entire Himalayan range from your room, or even like from taking the shower, you can enjoy the view of Himalayas, particularly the Annapurna range. You can sit in the balcony, enjoy the view, or just sit in the garden. So that's it, guys. Let us know in the comments how you like this hotel and if you want us to check out any more hotels in Nepal. And guys, finally Annapurna decided to give us a view. I'll zoom in a bit to see. Oh yes. Can you see? So guys, that is Annapurna range direct from my room. As the weather is slightly getting more clear, we can see the full Himalayan range and it looks so pretty. Good morning, guys. Let's look at the view in the early morning. So just wanted to give you a glimpse of how this resort looks like in the morning. Can you see the snow-clad mountains? It's so serene, right? Imagine taking a dip in cold water over this view. Hope you like the drone footage of this resort. Let us know in the comment section if you will also like to stay in this resort the next time you're in Pokhara. And don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.